Hello everyone, I am Hassan Sohail. This is day 4 of our course updates Power BI. And actually, I was not able to do anything on day 3. That's why I am recording day 3 plus day 4 on day 4. We left till somewhere here practice assignment, self review, filtering data. Today morning, I just completed from here. I just did this reading exemplar, filtering data, practice assignment, like video, module, summary, and everything. Basically, I got a very good grip on filtering and sorting data, and at this point I think that I'm quite excellent and I'm quite like fluent with whatever I have been taught. Actually, I am till there only because I have not practiced somewhere extra, right? I did not do anything extra, I just practiced what the instructor told us. Moreover, as you can see, this is the self review filtering data. I scored 100%, but it is not in the first time I scored. Actually, I did, I suppose, 3 or 4 times. I scored 80% in the first 2 or 3 tries, and I was able to score 100% on fourth try. Yeah, so this was a self review of filtering data. Moreover, well, like many videos were completed like this one, and I just across this exemplar, that is filtering data. Exemplar is basically solutions to the previous exercise and previous assignments, right? So we did this and reading one. I just completed this whole module, and now today I moved on to module 2, formulas in Excel. It was a very big achievement for me because I was stuck on module 2 from last 2 3 days. So what is a formula? Then controlling calculations and order of precedence in calculations, then useful percentage calculations. I was also getting stuck in percentage, like the Excel software used to multiply the data by 100 as well as adding a percentage. So it was a very confusing thing for me. That's why I just read the assignment and I was able to get very like much clarity after the reading assignments. Yeah, so this was the exercise. Actually, I crave for this 100%, but yeah, somewhere it takes me 2 or 3 tries minimum to get to 100%. In the previous 1 or 2 tries, I usually get around 80%, not less than that, but yeah, 80% then 100%. So formulas and functions, I was able to do it. Auto sum, insert, a very good exercise was given here, preparing a monthly sales report. I loved this assignment because I was very keen to do this kind of assignment. It helped me to clear my count take problems. It also taught me how to use formulae and functions in real life applications. And now I left on knowledge check, getting started functions. Then we'll be doing the module 3, which is somewhere related to Excel and Power BI. Yeah, so this was the whole course, and I actually love this. Like I love today's assignments as well as the practice problems because I was able to learn the real life applications of all those problems. Yeah, so thank you so much, and be with us in this whole journey, and I'll be updating you soon. Thank you.